Hey everyone, welcome back to Stitch with Yarn. Today I have a super fun project for you. We are going to crochet a star and moon back charm. We will start making star. First, make a magic ring. In the first row, we will do 5 single crochet into the magic ring. Pull the magic ring yarn to make a perfect circle. Now we will begin doing the second round. You can use a stitch marker or a yarn like this. In the second round, increase in each stitch around by making 2 single crochet in each stitch. And at the end of the round, you will have 10 stitches. In the first stitch, make 1 stitch and again another stitch in the same stitch. In the second stitch, crochet 1 single crochet. Second in the same stitch. At the end of the round, you will have total 10 single crochet. Now, in the third round, do 1 single crochet in the first stitch and increase in the next stitch. Repeat this 4 more times. And at the end of this round, you will have total 15 stitches. In the fourth round, do 2 single crochet, then increase in the third stitch. Repeat the process 4 more times. then you will have total 20 single stitches in Now, remove the stitch marker. We will work from the last stitch of the round 4. Start from making the half double crochet in the same stitch. Again a double crochet in the same stitch. Half double crochet. And a single crochet in the same stitch. Now in the next stitch, make a single slip stitch. Make a slip stitch into the 2 next stitches. Repeat this pattern 4 more times to form the stars point. Now it's time to add some character to our star. Stitch on some eyes to give it a cute face. Place the stars wrong side facing each other. Use the yarn long tail and stitch them together using the back loop of the both stitches. Next, we will move on the moon. Start with a magic ring. Make 8 single crochet into the magic ring. In the second round, increase in each stitches around by making 2 single crochet in each stitches. Again, in the third round, increase in each stitch around by making 2 single crochet in each stitch. At the end of this round, you will have total 32 single crochet. slip stitch in the end of this round. Cut the yarn and leave a long tail. Now, let's join the star and moon together. Attach white yarn to the star. Make 40 chains total. You can increase the number of chains according to your need. Join the chain with the moon. Adorable star and moon bag charm is ready. I hope you enjoyed making this with me. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more crochet videos.